Hi everybody, it's Karen. I want to talk a little bit today about what do you do if you have no insurance at all. Unfortunately, a lot of people in this country are in that position because either private insurance is too expensive for them and they don't make enough money to buy it, and yet they make too much money so they can't get state insurance. State insurance is so expensive they can't get it. Okay, so there is a lot of people that fall in that category. And I want to talk about what you do if that happens, okay? Keep the faith. There is hope, all right? And I have helped a lot of people find treatment that don't have any money. So this is what you're going to do. If you don't have any funds, you're going to call the mental health department of the state. Every state has a mental health department. You can go to California State Mental Health. Just Google that and it will come up. And you can call them and ask them who in your community provides a free treatment. There are a couple great ones here where I live, and I'm going to tell you about them. The Coachella Valley Rescue Mission here in the Coachella Valley, Palm Springs area, they have a fantastic program. You go there, a lot of people that have no money, homeless, or maybe they just don't have any money for treatment. They go out there and they get involved in this treatment program, and it is an AA program, NA, 12-step. They get right involved in that program. The program lasts 30, 60, 90 days. You can stay as long as you want. You can stay on up to 6 months. They put you to work helping the new people. It's absolutely fantastic. You can even be housed out there up to a year, and they will help you integrate back into the community. Fantastic. The drawback to that is there is no detox, no medical detox. So you have to kick it on your own, and that is tough. That is a tough deal. There's a couple ways to do that. I'll talk about that next. But that's a great program. Here in my community also, the Salvation Army has a great 12-step based program. AA or NA. Again, they don't detox, but they will help you and get you a solid foundation of recovery and a program of action so you can stay sober. And they will help integrate you back into society and to work. Okay? So there are places. Now, only the really desperate people that want to get sober are going to do that. And they are out there. When you are sick and tired and you have had enough, you will do this. Okay? If you have no insurance and you are definitely going to need help detoxing, there's a few things you can do. One is, do you have a regular family doctor? A lot of people have a doctor even though they don't have insurance. They'll have a family doctor. You can go to the family doctor and you can tell them what you're about to do, what your attempt is, okay? You can call and say, I need to talk to the doctor about, I'm going to quit drinking. And they'll ask you, how much are you drinking? And they might give you some medicine to taper you down, and they will give you a schedule of that. And then you could find a family member or a friend that would help you with those medicines and taper you down over a week's time or 2 weeks' time, depending on what you're up against. You want to use some kind of medical help. Depending on your community hospital, you can go to a lot of people end up in the ER because of their blood alcohol level. I will tell you that alcohol is the most dangerous detox. Okay, so it's very, very important that you don't just quit cold turkey. It's best if you find a doctor. If you don't have a regular doctor, there are doctors in town that will do this. You can find them if you go to your local methadone clinic, or you can go to the ER, ask them if there's a doctor in town that will help detox you, put you on a detox. Now again, you have to really want to do that for that to work. And you have to go along with what they say. The doctor will tell you what to do, and you need to go along with that. And probably you're going to need to enlist someone to help you, okay? If you're already going to AA or NA, ask in there what the options are as well. They'll have some local ideas. Okay? Now, a couple other side notes for people maybe without insurance is there is always the option of cash. If someone is willing to help you with cash and pay for your insurance, you can discount. Ask if they're discount for cash. Okay? You might even be able to discount for cash just the detox portion. Find a detox house for your loved one. See if they'll discount for cash. Have them go through that and then take them straight to the mission or to the Salvation Army or whatever the free program is in your area. I know in Ocean Beach, California, they have a home there called the First Step Recovery House of Ocean Beach, and it's for men. And they detox men there for 10 days, and it's free. Other men from AA and NA come and detox them. It is not a medical detox. It's a kick it, old school. And it can be done. But they have men there that watch them and make sure they're okay, call an ambulance if something's going on. They get them through that 10 days. They make sure that they're in AA or NA meetings and they have a sponsor. And then those people donate their time to come back and help the next guys. So there are a lot of places like that in communities. You have to just Google it, okay? People are readily available to help with this information, but you have to ask the questions, okay? If you have a loved one that has Medicare or Medicaid and they are older, you can definitely get them help the same way. Call that Medicare or Medicaid, depending on what kind of coverage they have. They should be able to have someone that they're connected with in their little network that will detox someone with Medicare or Medicaid. If they have a nicer one where they've paid extra to have Humana or an Aetna kind of Medicare or Medicaid, you can call them as well. They probably have someone in network. If they don't, you can also request a single-use agreement with them. If it's an older person and that policy does not allow for a detox, medical detox, you can definitely ask for a caseworker for Medicare or Medicaid, and you can ask for a caseworker and ask them to help you get a single case agreement so you can get your loved one help. And a lot of times for the older people, it'll be in a hospital setting, so it's very safe for them. Okay? So there are some other options for you in case you don't have insurance. Where there is a will, there is a way. Let me know if I can be of help in any way. Thank you.